Hello, aspiring video creators, and welcome you all to this comprehensive Filmora tutorial. And here, I'm really thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey to mastering one of the most user-friendly video editing platforms out there. So, whether you are a beginner just looking to dip your toes into the world of video editing, or you're a seasoned pro seeking new tricks, you're in the right place, okay? So, Filmora has gained immense popularity for its intuitive interface, powerful features, and extensive range of effects. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius to create captivating videos that leave an impression. So, throughout this tutorial, we'll be uncovering the magic behind Filmora tools, which will help you to bring your creative vision to life. But first things first, let's get acquainted with the Filmora interface and let's see what all we are going to learn here in this tutorial. Okay, so first I'll be giving you guys an introduction of how you can create a new project in Filmora. So I'll be telling how it is quite different from any other software available in the market, how it is quite user friendly, and how you can download, install, and get started. Okay. And after that, I'll be telling you guys before starting anything, you need to import the particular file in the application. So I'll be showing you guys also different ways of importing the file in the library. And after that, I'll tell you guys about the workspace and the interface. Okay. So any software, whether it's a video editing software or any kind of software, once you're familiar with the workspace and the interface of that application, it becomes quite easy for us to work in that particular page or in that application that we know what the tool does and where everything is located. So I'll just orient you guys with the workspace and also about the basic tools which I have in there. Okay. So in any kind of video editing software, the timeline is the most important part. And this is where the magic happens. Like you will cut, you will split, or you will add different layers to your video. You will all will be doing that in the timeline. So I'll be telling you guys about the timeline in detail, that what all you can do and how you can add different layers and different options in the timeline, like how you can actually decrease or increase the size, and how you can make or create different audio panels, different video panels, add two or three videos at the same time. I'll be showing you guys all that as well. And after that, I'll be telling you guys about the trim and split. First, I'll be showing you guys how you can trim down your video. And after that, I'll be showing you guys how you can split your video and also showed you guys how to quick split. So trimming and splitting is quite different, okay? So in trimming, you are not cutting or deleting any particular part of the video, but in splitting, you're just dividing a phase of the video. So if I have a video of 30 minutes and I'm giving a cut in the 15 minutes, so now those are two different parts divided into 15 minutes each. So I'll be showing you guys the difference between trim and split as well. After that, I'll be telling you guys how you can merge different videos in same panel. Okay. Suppose I do have the preview panel there, which I have explained. Okay. So in the preview panel, I'll be showing you guys how I fit two or three frames at the same time in the same panel. Okay. How you can adjust those layers and work on those. Okay. And after that, I have showed you guys everything, whatever is there about editing the audio in this application. Okay. So I've showed you guys there is another option. Once you click or take an audio file, you guys can edit the audio in different ways. So I have showed you guys how you can actually edit those audio. And after that, I have told you guys about the color correction. So here in this, you guys will be doing some color correction. So this particular app is a video editing software. Well, it is not a pro Photoshop or anything as such, But here also you can actually color correct your video that it will give a good effect. And I'll be showing you guys how you can do that. And you guys can try it on your own as well, like using the graph or using different highlights. You can lower the saturation, increase the saturation, or the transparency, the opacity. I have told you guys about all this as well. Okay. And after that, I have told you guys how you can create titles and lower thirds. Okay. How you can play around text, like you can put any lower thirds, or if you want to put titles, as I have already shown you guys in the tutorial that in the library you do have option for titles and so many things like how you can use text. So I have shown you guys how you can write and put effects there as well. Okay. And after that, I have shown you guys transition in Filmora. So transition is basically a smooth transfer between video to video. Okay. So I have put transition in between two videos where it will transit quite smoothly, that it won't look bad. So this is how I have ran this transition in Filmora as well. And after that, I have shown you guys what are the different type of effects, stickers and templates which are available, how we can use those in our work. Okay. So I have explained you guys all that as well. Okay. So after that, I have also shown you guys few of the AI features in Filmora. Okay. So at the beginning of the class only, I have told you there are few AI features. And in last, like the in second last chapter, I have told you guys what are the features which you can use. Like you can basically cut down your video, or you can make a quick video which just AI will create for you. You don't have to put any extra effort in that case. Or you can auto reframe, auto big syncing, and silence detection. So AI is quite helpful in creating any kind of video in Filmora. And after that, at last, I have told you guys how you can export the media. Okay. So once you're done with the video and now you finalized, okay, this is my final product, I don't have to do anything. And after that, I have shown you guys how you can actually export your media into your device, as well as if you want to directly upload it to any social media, like if you do have a Vimeo account or a TikTok account or your YouTube account, you guys can link those particular accounts here with your Filmora and upload your work directly to those social media platforms. Okay. So this all we'll be learning in this particular tutorial. And after that, I have also given you guys some class project. So here I have two class project. In one, you guys have to edit a video and add transition effects and stickers in that particular video. Okay. And minimum, you guys have to use 4 videos. And for class project number 2, I want you guys to merge different videos and use transition or add an audio, okay, in that, like merge different videos in same panel, like you need to put all those videos in the same panel. So in the tutorial I have shown you guys how you can do that, how you can add your audio. And in this case, minimum 3 videos you need to put inside a frame. Okay. So I'm quite eager. Okay. So if any problem you guys have during the tutorial, you guys can always reach out to me. And I have, if you guys have any doubt as well, you guys can always refer my video to understand it better again and again. Okay. So I'm really excited to see you guys submit. Okay. And you guys can submit your particular work in our project panel. And I'm really excited to see you all after this tutorial, that how you're going to edit your video. So take care, everyone, and hope to see you all in the first chapter of this Wondershare Fillmore tutorial.